Mabuhay and good afternoon. Welcome to Manila Hotel. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I have a reservation under my name, Cedric Enriquez.
Wonderful. Let me check. Yes, I have found your reservation. May I please have a valid ID to complete your check-in process?
Sure, here you go.
Rodrigo.
Thank you. I see that you are staying with us for 3 days and 2 nights. In a suite room on the 28th floor. The rate of your stay is 75,000 per night, and it includes all facilities that we have, also free breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Does everything looks correct so far?
Yes, that's look perfect.
Rodrigo.
Great! Now, how would you like to settle the payment for your stay? We accept credit card, cash, mobile payments.
I'll be paying with my credit card.
Thank you. For a while, I'll just settle your payment. Thank you so much. Everything looks so good now. If you can just take a moment to sign a registration card to confirm your stay with us.
Rodrigo.
Thank you. Here is your room key. The elevator is located to the left and you will find your room on the floor number 28. If you need anything help with the direction or anything else, don't hesitate to ask.
Thanks, but I think I got it.
Of course. And if you'd like any help with your luggage, our bell service is available right here in the lobby. Just let them know and they will be happy to help bring your bags up to your room.
That sounds great. I'll let them know if I need anything.
Perfect. If you need anything else like extra towels or a wake-up calls, please just call the front desk. We're here to make your stays as comfortable as possible.
I really appreciate that.
We're so glad you choose to stay with us. Your comfort is our priority. If you have any question at all, again, do not hesitate to reach out. Have a wonderful stay here at Manila Hotel. Have a nice day, sir. Thank you.
I'm sure I will. Thanks again for your help.